Today, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tabled the Economic Survey 2022-23 in Parliament. The survey estimated India's GDP growth in financial year 24 at 6.5%, while the growth for the ongoing year has been projected at 7% compared to 8.7% in FY22. According to reports, at this growth rate, India will continue to be the fastest growing economy in the world. The GDP growth projections are in line with what economists had predicted earlier. The Economic Survey 2022-23 document said, and I quote, "The economy has nearly recouped what was lost, renewed what had paused, re-energized what had slowed during the pandemic." The survey projected GDP in nominal terms to be 11% in the next financial year, while the real GDP growth is likely to be in the range of 6 to 6.8% depending on the global economic and political developments. The Economic Survey said that growth in FY23 was primarily driven by private consumption, higher capital expenditure, stronger corporate balance sheets, credit growth in small businesses, and the return of migrant workers to cities. It also said that the Reserve Bank of India's inflation projection of 6.8% is not enough to prevent private consumption, even though it is higher than the central bank's upper limit of 6%. Another point of concern upheld by the Economic Survey was the widening current account deficit, or CAD. The survey said that CAD may continue to widen as global commodity prices remain elevated. If the CAD widens further, it could put more pressure on the rupee. However, as per the survey, the overall external situation remains manageable. It noted that India has sufficient foreign exchange reserves to finance CAD and intervene in the forex market to manage higher volatility in the rupee. The Economic Survey went on to emphasize that growth in exports had moderated in the second half of the FY24, and slowing world growth and diminishing global trade led to further loss of export stimulus in the second half of the ongoing fiscal year.